Have you been struggling to create mind-grabbing thumbnails? Have you been struggling to create good quality thumbnails that can keep people clicking on your videos to watch them? No worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create such thumbnails. And I'm going to show you how to create good quality thumbnails using one mysterious app. This app has been introduced by CapCut. Yes, you heard it very well. CapCut has introduced an app that we can use to create thumbnails. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use this app step by step. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time to be on my channel, my name is Ben. And on this channel, I create videos about tools, tips, and strategies on how to grow a YouTube channel for success. So if you want to grow a YouTube channel for success, or you want to learn how to edit, if you want to improve your editing skills, consider subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to turn on notifications. Subscribe and turn on notifications so that whenever I post, you get notified. Now, as I said before, CapCut has introduced a new app. And this new app has been introduced mainly to create thumbnails. As we all know, CapCut is the best video editing app in the whole world right now. Now, the best video editing app in the whole world has introduced another app mainly to create thumbnails. This literally means that this new app that has been introduced by CapCut could be the best thumbnail making app in the whole world right now. This new app, it is called Hypic. And I'm going to show you step by step on how to use Hypic to create the most engaging thumbnails for your videos. It doesn't matter what is your niche. It doesn't matter what kind of content you make. You will learn how to use this amazing app step by step. All right, without wasting a lot of time, let's go into the tutorial. Now, the first thing you do, you go to Google Play Store or App Store, and then you search for Hypic, as you see right here. Now, this is the app that I'm talking about. This is Hypic, okay? For my case, I've already installed it, so I'll just open it. But you need to first install it before you open it. All right, now this is how this app looks like. This is the home page. And people who want to make business banners, you can also use this app to make business banners. But for today's case, we are focusing at YouTube thumbnails, okay? So I'm going to show you how to create two types of thumbnails using this app. The thumbnail that has a pic or a photo in the background, and then the kind of thumbnails that I use, the thumbnails with colors. For example, these thumbnails right here, the thumbnails that you see in this pic. Let me show you this particular thumbnail. So this is the pic of my thumbnail, and this is how it will actually look after editing it or after everything is done. Now, this is the thumbnail that I'm talking about, the thumbnail with a color in the background. And then I'm also going to show you how to create a thumbnail with a pic in the background. Most people use pics or photos in the background. So I have to also show you how to create such thumbnails that have pics in the background. All right, let me first show you how to create this kind of thumbnails, the thumbnails with the color in the background. All right, let's go into it. Now, I'm going to use this pic to create a thumbnail using color in the background. All right, let's begin right away. The first thing you do, you tap on background, where you see background right here. And now after tapping on the background, you choose the color. In most cases, I use white. And after choosing the color, you also choose the aspect ratio of YouTube thumbnails, which is that right there. And after that, you go to cut out. Now, this app has an AI that you can use to cut out the background from your pic that you're going to use in your thumbnail. And this is the section of that AI. You just tap on allow right here. And then the AI will choose the object that is needed. Now, as you see, the green part, it is the part that we are going to use. So the AI has already selected the important part, the part that we need, and that is the face of me and the body, okay, as you see it right here. Now, when you zoom this pic, you realize that my ear has not been selected. So how do you do this? You literally go to manual select, you tap on manual select, and then you can resize the brush right here. And then you select this ear to put it back by just brushing around like the way you see me doing it. so that it also be selected, because the AI did not recognize this part. So you have to make sure that you have selected all the needed part. If the AI doesn't select the needed part, you can do it manually. Okay, now I'm done selecting this part of the ear that the AI had not selected, and what I'll do right now, it is to now select it. Now as you see, this is the selected part and the background has been removed, the original background. Now, let's say I want to create a thumbnail for the same video that you're watching, a thumbnail for a video teaching on how to create thumbnails. Okay. Now, the first thing I'll need it is to get a caption. Okay. So when you're thinking about the captions you put on your thumbnails, you have to make sure that those captions are short. You just need to use simple and short captions so that they can be easy for someone to read when they are scrolling on the YouTube homepage or when they get your video recommended to them. You don't need to use a lot of longer captions or a lot of words on your thumbnail. Okay, so what we do here, right here, it is to go to text where you see text and then we tap on text. Now I'm going to use thumbnail as my caption. Now, after typing in thumbnail, I'm going to look for a template. With this app, it has amazing templates. As you see, here are different kind of templates that you can use to edit your thumbnail. But I personally use this template right here, the one that you're seeing downloading. After choosing a template, what you do next, you choose the font. You can change the font of the template, you can change the style and the format. After that, what I'll do next, it is to change the color. I always like white color, okay? White on white. It looks amazing for me. But you can choose what you like personally or what you think will grab people's attention. But as I said before, you have to make sure that you use short captions in your thumbnails. Short captions are easy to be read by viewers. So always choose short captions that you use in your thumbnails. All right, after that, what we do next, it is positioning this caption. Now, what we're going to do right here, it is to get this caption up, okay? You just have to make sure that you design it very well. What I'm going to do, I'm going to make this caption look more bold, as you see it right there, okay? And then also try to increase this peak right there as you see it. Now after this, what I'll do next, it is to put a CapCut logo and a Hypic logo. And how do you get these logos? You just go to Google right here, you minimize the app and then you go to Google and you search for CapCut logo PNG. As you see, then you search for it right there. So this is the PNGs or the CapCut logos. So you download one from this. Now, as you see, I'm going to download this one. And after downloading CapCut, you also search for Hypic logo PNG. And these are one of those. I'll just tap on download right here. And then after downloading it, I'll go back to Hypic and put these logos both for Hypic and CapCut. So I just go to stickers where you see stickers right here. And then I import these two. The one for CapCut is right here. I import it and put it somewhere here. After putting it right there, I go back to stickers and import the one for Hypic, which is right here. Okay. So with this one, it need to be selected. You just tap on auto select right here, and then the AI selects that logo. Okay. It is also right here as well. Okay. Now, after inserting these logos, what you do next, you can include arrows, okay? You can include arrows to make it more professional. Okay, you just go back to stickers and then you look for arrows here in these stickers. You can also download your own arrows and import them as you saw me importing these logos. All right, let me put this arrow right here and make it look more professional. So this arrow is pointing from the Hypic logo to the word thumbnail, meaning this Hypic logo can make thumbnail. That is what it literally means. Now, after that, as you see, the thumbnail now looks better. You can change the color in the background if you feel like you want to use a different color. You just go to background right here, and then you choose a color that you want in the background. You keep on testing these different colors for the background until you get your favorite color. Now, when you get the favorite color that you want, then you can now save the thumbnail. Now, this is the first kind of thumbnail that I said I'm going to show you how to create the thumbnail with the color in the background. And I'm also going to show you how to create the thumbnail with a pig in the background using this same Hypic. Now, with the second method to create thumbnails with pigs in the background, you have to make sure that you have a pig that you're going to use in the background. For example, I have this pig right here, okay? So you definitely import the pig as you see. Now, I've imported this pig, and after importing the pig, the first thing you do, you get the ratio for YouTube thumbnails, okay? So you do it by tapping on the background right here, and then you choose the ratio for YouTube thumbnail, which is right here. Okay. After that, you expand this to fit the ratio. You just tap on the peak and then you expand it to fit the frame. Now, once you're done with that, you go back to adjust. After that, you look for blur, where you see blur. There are different kind of blur styles here, but you look for your favorite. Now, as you see, the entire image has been put to blur. Now, after putting it to blur, what you do next, you import the image of you, the image that you want to use in the thumbnail, okay? So you just tap on stickers right here and then import picture, okay? Then you choose an image that you want to use in this thumbnail. So for this example, I'm going to use this image, okay? So auto select, I use the AI as we did in the first method. And then as you see, the AI still didn't recognize my ear. I don't know why, but you just tap on manual select to select the section or the part that the AI did not select, okay? You can zoom it to make it simple to actually brush it out. As you see now, the ear is well brushed and we can save it. Okay, now the pic has been saved. Okay, now as you see, we have imported our pic, we have imported the image. Now, after importing the image, you tap on adjust and you adjust the colors, the saturation, you just make this image look more vibrant. Okay, now after editing the image, putting the colors and everything, what you do next, it is to add the captions as we did in the first method, thumbnails. Okay, after adding thumbnail, you choose the template for that thumbnail and you continue as we did in the first method. Mainly, I just wanted to show you how you add a picture in the background for those who want to add pictures in the background. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it. Smash that like button right away. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Check out this video that teach how to color grade. If you want to learn color grading, watch this video. And you can also check out this playlist if you want to learn editing. I've organized this playlist for people who want to improve their editing skills. All right, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.